In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix Brave keeps logging out everything. First of all, go to settings, then go to privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, and make sure nothing is checked under on exit tab. Then go to shields, then disable forget me when I close this site if it is already enabled. And that's pretty much it. These two steps would easily solve your problem. And if this doesn't fix your problem, create a new profile and sync all your data and settings on it. And finally try logging in again. I hope this video fixed your problem. And if it did, please give it a like and subscribe. Cheers!